deep neural networks are not new. They've been around since the 1950s. But the snag is that two things are missing to make them effective. The first is you need massive amounts of data to train the networks. So a neural network needs lots of data to understand and figure out what features are most important in that data. So that's the first thing. And then the second thing is to do that training, to figure out which features are most important in the data, requires a high degree of computation. And so in 2012, when Alex Krizhevsky solved the ImageNet challenge, that really started the new AI revolution, and that was enabled by NVIDIA GPUs. So he was able to take a domain of computer vision that was really, up until that point, it was all of the network, all of the programs that did image recognition were all hand-coded programs by people that understood the domain and tried to make those algorithms work. And in one fell swoop, he came and delivered a network that could solve that challenge with higher accuracy than anything done before. And then, since then, we've never looked back. The early adopters of AI were cloud computing companies. And the reason for that was because they had lots and lots of data gathered from the internet, lots of images, lots of user data. So they had a huge amount of data to process. And Inspur, that was one of the first markets to address, was the cloud computing market. So Inspur was in the perfect position to see this transition, and by seeing the opportunity, they were able to work with NVIDIA and bring products to market that actually address this challenge by providing the computing horsepower that these companies needed. So I see Inspur as a very, very capable company. Over the years, they've developed a very strong brand and a reputation for high quality and being able to move fast. And that's one of the things we've enjoyed working with Inspur, is the ability for them to take our products very fast to market and help us enjoy the opportunity together as soon as possible. So I think that stands Inspur in good stead from the global market perspective.